So hello friends, today I came to airport. I just want to give some information. So when you will arrive here, you will come out from here and then you will see the shop Alepa. You can buy some food and then you have to go out from this way. Then you can see here arrivals, departures, okay, and then you can see the arrivals here, okay. So you have to go out in this way for train or for bus. So here you can see railway station or taxis. If you go to this way, you can find railway station. So here is a shop. You can see there is a shop called R-Kioski. Yes, R-Kioski. You can buy your SIM card or you can buy train ticket from here, from this shop. And well, we don't need to show everything here, okay. So this upper side terminal 2, from there you can fly outside Finland, but when you arrive you come this way and you will go out for railway station. So let's check how we can go there. So you can buy your SIM card or train ticket. So you can see the picture of train or taxis, and it's also written railway station. So if you follow this road or this way, if you follow this way, you can get to train or taxis. So I will recommend for train because it's cheaper than taxi, of course. So you can go to Helsinki main train station by using this train, and you can also get information from here. There is airport information. You can see. You can get all the information. If you want to ask them, you can ask, and you can also get some cash using this ATM here, using your debit card or credit card. You can use both. You can see the transport timetable from this chart for Helsinki zone. So guys, we are almost near the railway station. So now we will need to go to the right. It says to the right. Okay, let's go outside. So we have to go this way. So here you can see Rautatiet Asema. So if you want to go to outside Helsinki, you need to go to Helsinki main railway station, which is Rautatiet Asema. And after that you can buy ticket for remote train, and you can go to other cities, maybe Tampere or Oulu or some other cities. So okay, let's check there. So we are going down. Please watch this video until the end because you will get so many information in this video. Maybe this video is a bit longer, so I will request you not to fast forward your video and go until the end. So you just need to follow this arrow, and it says Rautatiet Asema. So in this way we can go to underground train, and by that train you can go to Helsinki Rautatiet Asema, where you can find remote train which goes from Helsinki to outside Helsinki. So you can go by the train or you can go by bus. So I am showing you today how can you go to train, and okay, so let's go. Before you come here, you should buy ticket from the RQSK shop I have shown you before, or you can buy your SIM card for your phone. Okay, so guys, you can see this is the train track. Okay, and you can also go by this lift. You can also use this lift if you want to go down. If you have luggage, then it's easy to use this lift, or you can use that lift. So you need to come here if you want to go to Helsinki railway station by using this train. Okay, or either you can use bus or taxi service outside airport. So of course it's cheaper to use train. Here you don't need to, and if you want to use bus, of course you can use, but it takes more time than train. Yes. Remember to follow the quarantine rules. If you are coming outside from Finland, of course you need to follow these rules in this pandemic time. So guys, here we are. You can see from here you have to take the train to Helsinki train station. So now you can see there is number 2 and there is number 1. So it says 6 minutes Helsinki. So you can go using this train, L train. There is a letter called L. So you can use this train, or you can use P train. Train ticket from here. So you can buy train ticket using your credit card. So it says Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, or Visa Electron. You can use your card and you can buy train ticket from here. But if you don't have credit card, if you have cash, I would say you should buy ticket from RQSK in the airport, the terminal. Of course, you can buy also ticket from here. Okay, let's see the train. Yeah. So guys, this is P train. This is a P train, and you can go to Helsinki using this train. Yes, and there could be train ticket checker. There could be ticket checker. So I would recommend you to buy train ticket before you get to the train. Otherwise, ticket checker can give you a fine. Okay. So this is how you can get to train platform, and you can go to Helsinki. Guys, I will show you one important difference. This is the ticket booth for Helsinki area. Okay, for Helsinki zone or Helsinki Espoo, Vantaa zone. So you can buy train ticket using this booth, ticket booth. You can buy train ticket using your Visa or credit card. Okay, so let's come there. So if you see this one, this is Kauko Yuana Weekend. So it says long distance service. So long distance service means you can go outside Helsinki area. So it says here Seinäjoki, Vaasa, Jyväskylä. Then you can see the city Joensuu, Tampere, Kouvola. These are the cities in Finland. So if you want to go outside Helsinki, you need to buy train ticket for that, and it says long distance service. So you can buy train ticket using this booth. Okay, this is green one. You can see this is a green one. So you can buy your long distance train ticket by using this ticket booth. Okay, so let's see how you can buy. Of course you need a credit card. So you can see Helsinki Lentoasema. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, you can maybe change the language. Let's see English. Yes. So single ticket, commuter, multi-ticket. Of course I want to buy a single ticket, so you can buy from Helsinki airport to, so you can search. Okay, let's see, I will buy for Tampere, and then you can choose if you are a student. Of course I told you that you need a student card. It could be a student card you can download in your phone. That could be a franc student card. That's better. Then you continue. Now from here you can buy train ticket for long distance service. Okay, so you can see the train ticket time from here and the price from here, and this is the transfer. So you need to transfer another train from here. Hey, and what else I can say? Yes, and then of course you need credit card to buy your train ticket. So that's it. That's how you can buy train ticket from here, and you can go outside Helsinki. So guys, this is so simple. You just need to follow the instruction. That's it. So we will go back to our parking, and we can show you. So we are going back to terminal, airport terminal, terminal 1 and terminal 2. You can see on top of there. So we will go back. We have parked our car there. We came here to show you that how can you go to train, how can you buy ticket. Okay guys, let's check it out. Okay, so hopefully you will remember my advice or my suggestion how you can go to train station and how you can buy your train ticket. So guys, so today I have shown you when you arrive in Helsinki airport, what you have to do. You have to buy a SIM card, and if you have cash you can buy train ticket from Arkioski, or you can buy your SIM card from the Arkioski. And then if you want to go to Helsinki train station, main train station, which is in Finnish Rautatieasema, so you need to go to this way. And if you want to go by bus to Helsinki train station, there is mark, so you need to follow where the bus direction. So in the airport they have given direction for train station and they have given direction for bus station. Okay, so train station is completely opposite side, and if you want to follow bus you have to go the other side. Okay, and if you want to go by taxi, which is a bit expensive, of course you can go, so you have to go to taxi. I hope so guys, I hope this video will help you. So if you like my video, please thumbs up on my video, and of course I will request you to subscribe to my channel. Consider subscribing to my channel, and if you have question you can always ask me under my video. You can comment under my video. Guys, now you can see a mark here, taxi. And of course, so if you want to go by taxi to the Helsinki train station or some other place, you can take taxi. So you have to go this way for taxi. So So guys, now we came outside of the airport. You can see there is a taxi station or taxi stand. You can see taxi stand there. So if you want to go by taxi to a place in Helsinki, or I will say yes, in Helsinki center, so you can take taxi from there. And our parking is that side. You see, we have parked our car there. Yes, this is the main terminal. It says T1 and T2, so you just need to come out in this way if you want to take a taxi from here. So we will go to our parking. We are just waiting for lift. Okay, so I just paid €6 bill for my parking. Yes. And what else I can say? So it looks expensive, okay? If you park in the airport, if you park your car in the airport, it is quite expensive, because I think we are here 1 hour and it's almost €6. Yes. So this is the parking. We have parked our car here, and if you go outside Finland, you can park your car here. If you go for a month or for 15 days, you can park here and you can just fly. So when you will come back, you will just take your car and you go to home. So guys, this is how you travel from Helsinki airport to your home. Have a nice day. Bye bye.